Hello everyone, what is up? My name is Maria and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am going out for dinner. Don't know why I clapped while I said that. It doesn't need much emphasis. Tonight I'm going out for dinner with my family and we're going to a really nice place. And it's not very often that I get dressed up. It's not very often that I get out of my pajamas at all. But I thought that I'd do a little get ready with me because I did one of these for Sadie's and you guys love this video. I think it's one of my most viewed videos on my channel. So I thought I'd do another one. This is just going to be a really chill get ready with me video and I'm really excited, and I'm also running low on time. I need to be ready to go in 45 minutes and that is a time crunch, so we're just gonna get right into it. So I want to start out by saying I apologize if the energy is a little bit low. For some reason my body has decided to wake me up every day at 5:30. I don't really know why. I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light Vanilla. But anyway, my body has decided to wake me up at 5:30 in the morning for the past like 3 mornings, and last night I was like, okay, let me try and offset this and go to bed at like midnight. That seemed like a logical idea in my head. Still woke up at 5:30 this morning. So I'm running on a good 5 hours of sleep. If the energy seems a little low, that's why. I'm really trying to pep myself up because I'm really excited to where we're going. It's like a really nice place. But at the moment, it's really not looking too bright for me. Everyone pray for me. I don't think it's gonna go that well. Anyway, today has been a really fun day though, regardless of me being kind of tired. My sister and I went hiking and we went to a cool restaurant. I actually think you guys have probably seen the vlog where we did all this stuff. I'm pre-recording right now because I'm going to Hawaii. You're probably going to hear me say in the next couple of videos, but I'm so excited to go to Hawaii. It's going to be so fun. But I was like, do I upload? Because like I have a small audience. I don't know if anyone's going to care that I'm gone or that if I post when I'm gone, I don't know if it's going to make a difference. But I just decided, you know what, I'll pre-record. I'll have some videos ready to go. So you are watching this while I am in Hawaii. Let me blend this and I'll get back to you guys. Also, it just like thundered. It literally thunderstormed and now it's sunny outside. I don't understand. Like, a meteorologist is watching this, don't know why you would be. Can you explain to me how weather works and why it's now sunny? Okay, so now I'm going in with foundation. This is the NARS in the shade Fiji. This is definitely way too dark for me. This is my, like, tan color. Also a little bit too yellow for my skin, but it's my favorite foundation. I feel like it gives me a nice radiant glow, which is what it's supposed to do. And I just use a little bit of this. I've never used a lot of foundation. It's not my favorite thing. My arm hurts. Too much blending. Okay, we're gonna call that good. Blended. Is it good? Probably not. Is it blended? Probably not. Are we just gonna full send for sure? Now I'm going with the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder in the shade Don't Drop It on Your Carpet. That Aspen 04. I use a lot of this. I like to be really matte. I put it in all the spots where I crease first and I pack it there, and then I just get a nice amount all over my brush and I do that all over my face. This is also really light, so it helps to lighten up my horrible shade of foundation. Okay, what am I doing now? What is next in my routine? Okay, now I'm going in with bronzer. Hoola Tan Bronzer. Not tan bronzer. Bronzers make you tan. The Hoola Bronzer. Does it have a color? I don't know. This one. What was I gonna say? Oh, speaking of tan, I took a lifeguarding class like a couple weeks ago. Not a couple weeks ago, more like last week. This class was outside, and last week it was windy and 50 degrees in Michigan, so that was a really pleasant experience. But anyway, what I'm getting on to is that I got tan. It wasn't even sunny, and I got tan somehow. But I got tan during this class, and now I have a freaking, if you're a swimmer, you know what the circle is. But basically, it's like when your suit leaves in like a tan line on your back that has like a one piece. I put on the Clinique I can't say this word. I put on the Clinique blush in the color 107 in the shade Sunset Glow. That scared the shiitake mushrooms out of me. So I'm going in with the Nubian by Juvia's Place palette. I love this palette. It was given to me for my birthday. I actually don't think I've bought any of my makeup. I think this was all gifted to me because... So, I'm planning on doing Glossier Lid Star. I just want to color in the crease to make it look nice and deepened, and then a color in the inner corner. So I'm going in with this shade. Oh, does it have the names? No. That's so helpful. And I'm just going in with this in my crease. And I'll probably bring it under my eyes too. I've literally done nothing but hike, eat, and play The Sims today, so if I seem a little crazy, that's because I am. Some days you just gotta accept that you're not feeling 100% and that you're not gonna make any sense, because I know that I'm literally making absolutely no sense right now. So I apologize. I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Lid Star. This is in the shade Cub. I got this when I was in New York, so it has like a sentimental value to me. Not that eyeshadow should, but I really, really like this eyeshadow, and it makes me think of the Glossier in New York, and it makes me think of how much I love New York, and I just love New York. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I just use this one. I can't talk to you while I do this because I feel like I'm always gonna squeeze my eyeball out of my head. Give me one sec. If I don't wear makeup for a day, I will literally just curl my lashes, and it improves the look by so much. I don't even have to wear mascara, just curl your lashes. Okay, I need to take a quick minute while my mascara dries to talk about Ed Sheeran. So, I'm a huge Ed Sheeran fan. I've loved Ed Sheeran since the womb. And I loved I Don't Care with Justin Bieber. Like, it was such a good song. It was such a banger. And then he just dropped this song with Chance the Rapper, and I also love Chance the Rapper. I just love... Yeah.
Why is it me up? Why do I feel like I'm always walking in on you?
Oh yeah, I love Chance the Rapper. I love Ed Sheeran. I was really excited about this new song. I don't even know what it's called anymore. I don't know. It has P&B Rock in it. I was expecting great things, and I listened to it, and I hated it. I listened to it like 5 times since then to kind of force myself to like it, and I still hated it. Oh, I'm using Glossier Boy Brow Gel in the shade Blonde. I'm just spooling through my brows. I like to do this after I do gel because I feel like the gels plump in my eyebrows, so I just go through and I re-spoolie, and then I clean up the edges. I kind of like the color of my eyes, but I do want it to be a little more bronzy, I decided. So I'm just going in with this shade and this shade, mixing together, and I'm lightly gonna put this on my eyelids. Now we need to do highlighter. Highlighter is essential. I love highlighter. My favorite highlighter is the Kylighter. I'm going in with this really bright shade, and I just apply this to my upper cheekbone, my nose, eye corners, and of course the Cupid's bow. Now for lips, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna put on some Burt's Bees because I need some lip moisturization right now. That is it for makeup. We are done with the makeup portion of this video. Now I need to fix my hair because if you can't tell, it looks like crap. So I'm gonna try and fix that now. I think I'm going to do a low bun because I didn't dry my hair, which was a mistake. I should have dried it. So let me show you its current state. This is what my hair dries naturally as. But we gotta fix it. I like to wear a middle part with a low bun. I just think it looks better. Sorry my mirror is like right under you. So all I do is I brush the front strands of my hair and I just secure those behind my head. Do it with the other side. And then you need to make sure that your back is okay. You just want it to be as sleek as possible. Now I'm just gonna make a bun shape. Secure this off. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of hair oil to make sure my hair doesn't get any frizzier. So this is the My Moisture Vanilla Bean Argan Oil, and I just go in and I put this on my hair and my baby hairs just to make sure they're nice and smooth and sleek. And that's all I'm going to do for my hair because I don't have the energy or the patience to do anything else. So, outfit. I gotta figure this out. Pants, and I'll do it with this cowl neck top, and we'll see if it's too loose. I will come back to you when I have this on. So I think I got my outfit on the first try, which is pretty rare for me, but I'm like obsessed with this. Really cute. So I'm just wearing this cowl neck top from PacSun, necklaces from PacSun. This one obviously is custom. And then my Judge Judy pants, which are from Forever 21, and then these really cute shoes from BP. So yeah, I really love this outfit, and I actually have to leave like right now. So I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was like really chill, really fun. It was kind of a mess, but we love that. And I will see you guys in the next video. I upload every single Monday. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And I love you all. Bye!